Good afternoon, David. I need your help to plan my big vacation trip.
Good afternoon, Maya. I am happy to help you plan your perfect trip.
I am dreaming of a sunny place with a beautiful, warm beach.
A beach destination sounds wonderful. Do you prefer Europe or Asia?
I would prefer a place somewhere outside of Europe this time.
We have excellent packages for Thailand and for the Maldives Islands.
The Maldives sounds very luxurious and very relaxing for me.
The Maldives offer beautiful blue water and quiet resort hotels.
I want to stay somewhere that is quiet and completely peaceful.
That location is perfect for complete rest and relaxation time.
Are there many direct flights to the main airport there?
Most flights have one stopover, usually in Dubai or Doha.
One stopover is completely fine. I can manage that flight time.
How many people will be traveling with you on this trip?
It will be just me traveling alone this year.
Traveling alone gives you great freedom for your daily activities.
I am looking forward to exploring the beautiful, natural environment.
I will start searching for the best island resorts for one person.
Thank you. I hope to see amazing, colorful fish in the water.
The snorkeling in the Maldives is absolutely world-class there.
That makes me even more excited about this destination choice.
We need to confirm your preferred dates for the journey now. When exactly do you plan to take this amazing vacation?
I prefer to travel sometime during the month of June.
June is an excellent time for good weather in the Maldives.
I want to travel for a duration of exactly 10 days.
10 days is a very relaxing and suitable length of time there.
I want to leave around the 15th of June, if possible.
The 15th of June is a Thursday. That works very well.
Returning on the 25th of June sounds like the perfect length.
I will check the flight availability for June 15th now.
I hope the ticket prices are not extremely high that week.
Traveling midweek often helps to lower the total flight cost.
I am flexible if leaving one day earlier saves me money.
Let me check the prices for leaving on Wednesday, June 14th.
Is there a significant price drop for flying on Wednesday?
Yes, the flight is $200 cheaper leaving one day earlier.
$200 is a great saving. I will leave on June 14th.
Great. We will book the flights for June 14th to June 24th then.
That date change works well for my work schedule here.
Your passport must be valid for at least 6 more months.
My passport is new, so it is valid for several more years.
That is perfect. No need to worry about any visa arrangements.
Fantastic! Thank you for finding the best dates for me.
Let's discuss your total budget for the entire trip package.
I would like to spend a maximum of $4,000 total.
$4,000 is a very comfortable budget for 10 days.
I prefer quality accommodation, but I do not need extreme luxury.
Do you prefer to stay in a simple beach villa or an overwater bungalow?
An overwater bungalow is the dream, but maybe it is too expensive.
We can find a beautiful, smaller bungalow within your budget range.
A smaller bungalow over the water would be absolutely incredible.
I recommend the Aqua Resort. It has excellent customer reviews.
The Aqua Resort sounds familiar. Is it a quiet island?
Yes, the resort is on a small, private island with few guests.
Perfect. Privacy and quietness are my two main priorities now.
The all-inclusive package at Aqua Resort includes all your meals.
All-inclusive sounds great. I do not want to worry about cooking.
The total price for the bungalow, flights, and meals is $3,850.
$3,850 is well within my budget.
This price also includes the necessary speedboat transfer fee.
The speedboat transfer fee is already included in the total price.
Yes, everything is covered upfront with this single price.
I am very happy with that price and the great resort choice.
Let's confirm the full flight itinerary for your journey now.
I need to know the duration of the stopover in the middle.
Your stopover in Doha, Qatar, is exactly 3 hours long.
3 hours is a perfect length of time for a comfortable connection.
The first flight is 7 hours long. The second flight is 5 hours.
That means the total flying time is 12 hours in the air.
Yes, and the airport connection time is added to that total journey.
Will the airline provide me with my meal choice during the flights?
Yes, all international flights include 2 full hot meals.
I am vegetarian. Can you please arrange a special vegetarian meal?
I will add the vegetarian meal request to your booking immediately.
Thank you very much for arranging that important detail for me.
We have chosen morning departure times for both flights.
Morning departures are best for avoiding very long waiting times.
You will arrive in the Maldives in the late evening time.
I hope the resort will send someone to meet me at the airport.
Yes, the resort representative will meet you with your name sign.
That organized greeting will be very helpful after a long flight.
Do you prefer an aisle seat or a window seat for the flights?
An aisle seat is better for me so I can stretch my legs easily.
I have reserved an aisle seat for you on both flights now.
I definitely want to book some fun activities while I am there on the island. I do not want to spend the whole time just sitting.
The resort offers an incredible guided snorkeling tour every morning. They provide all the equipment you need for the activity.
I must book the snorkeling tour immediately. I love seeing marine life. I hope to see many colorful fish and corals underwater.
I will add the half-day snorkeling package to your final itinerary now. We can also add another fun activity if you wish.
Do you also recommend a specific island tour or perhaps a boat trip activity? I want to see a bit more of the surrounding area.
There is a romantic sunset cruise you might enjoy very much. It is a very peaceful trip around the small islands in the evening.
A sunset cruise sounds absolutely beautiful and relaxing. Please include that extra activity in my booking too.
Now, we must discuss the mandatory travel insurance policy. This is a very important part of safe international travel.
Is travel insurance truly necessary for this relatively short trip? I have never bought travel insurance before for my small trips.
Yes, it is necessary to cover any medical emergencies or unexpected flight cancellations. It protects your financial investment in the trip.
I would hate for a flight cancellation to completely ruin my whole trip. I need protection against unexpected financial losses.
The comprehensive policy costs $95 and covers all major issues. This policy will cover up to $10,000 in expenses.
$95 for complete peace of mind is certainly worth the money. Please add the insurance to my final cost now.
I have added the full comprehensive travel insurance policy to your booking. Your safety and financial security are our main concern.
Thank you. I feel much safer knowing I have good insurance now. I can relax and enjoy the trip without worrying.
Your total price with all activities and insurance is now exactly $4,000. This is the final and absolute maximum cost.
$4,000 exactly. That is perfectly within my original maximum budget I gave you.
I have successfully kept your trip within your desired financial limit. We found great value for your money. Congratulations, Maya. Everything is fully booked and confirmed now in the system. Your perfect 10-day Maldives trip is official.
This is so exciting. I'm going to the beautiful Maldives in June for my holiday. I cannot wait to see the overwater bungalows.
Here is your confirmation folder with all the flight and hotel details printed out. Please keep this folder in a safe place.
I will read through this final itinerary very carefully tonight before the bank payment. I want to check all the timings again.
It contains contact numbers for the resort and the insurance company for any emergency. You should save those numbers in your mobile phone.
I will save all those important numbers on my phone right now. I always keep emergency contacts readily available.
You can pay the total $4,000 by bank transfer today. The full payment secures your flight seats and hotel room.
I will complete the bank transfer immediately when I leave your office now. I want to make sure the booking is finalized quickly.
The official e-tickets will be sent to your personal email address tomorrow morning. You will need those tickets to check in at the airport.
I will check my email early tomorrow for the ticket information. I will print them out immediately for easy airport access.
Do you have any questions about packing light for the very warm weather? The Maldives climate is hot and humid all year round.
I will only take light summer clothes and perhaps a few swimsuits. I do not need heavy jackets or formal clothing for this trip.
That is the best and easiest way to travel to a tropical destination like that. Remember to pack a strong sunscreen product.
Thank you so much for arranging my perfect dream vacation trip today. You made the planning process so smooth and easy.
It was truly my pleasure to help you plan this special holiday. We look forward to seeing you when you return.
I will send you pictures of the beautiful blue water from the resort island. I will make sure to capture the amazing scenery.
I look forward to seeing your fantastic vacation photos very much. Enjoy every single moment of the quiet resort.
Goodbye, David. See you when I return in July.
Goodbye, Maya. Have an absolutely amazing and relaxing trip.